Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by unlocking your Redmi Note 12 and opening settings. Once inside, go straight to display or display and brightness. This is where screen time controls live. Scroll until you find screen timeout or sleep. Don't get sidetracked by adaptive brightness. Tap that entry to reveal timeout choices. You're doing this first because it puts you at the control point. Once done, you'll be ready to pick a duration that matches your battery and usage needs. Now you'll see preset timeout options: 15s, 30s, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, or 30 minutes. Tap the duration you want. Shorter times save battery, longer times prevent frequent unlocks. If you need a custom window beyond presets, check for advanced or keep screen on while charging settings. Make sure to test the choice for a day to feel the difference. Once satisfied, the system saves it automatically and you can exit settings. Finish by confirming the new timeout. Lock the phone and wait the set interval to ensure the screen sleeps as expected. If it didn't apply, reboot the device, and if needed, clear Settings app cache from App Info and try again. Also make sure Battery Saver or a third-party automation app isn't overriding the timeout. Disable those temporarily to test. If problems persist, update MIUI and then repeat the steps to ensure system fixes are applied.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.